math on page 206. It says classify the pairs of angles as corresponding, alternate interior, alternate exterior, or consecutive interior. Okay, so the first one says 1 and 8. 1 and 8, they're on the outside, and they're alternating one side of the transversal, then the other. So that's alternate exteriors. Number 2 says 2 and 6. 2 and 6 are on the same side of the transversal, and they're both above the line. Now notice these are not parallel lines, so we can still talk about these kinds of angles even if the lines are not parallel. 2 and 6 would not be congruent in this situation, nor would 1 and 8, because those lines are not parallel. But they're still corresponding angles because they're on the same side of the transversal and they're both above the lines, the two lines that are being crossed. Okay, 3 and 5. 3 and 5 are both on the same side of the transversal and they're both inside the lines, so they are called consecutive interiors. So those are called consecutive interiors. 4 and 5. Let's get a different color. Okay, 4 and 5 are inside the lines and they're alternating. So they're alternate interiors, alternate interiors. Okay, 3 and 7. Different color. 3 and 7 are both on the same side of the transversal, and they're also both below the lines we're talking about. That makes them corresponding because they're in the same position to one side of the transversal and below it. 3 and 6. I don't think there's any hope for all those colors. 3 and 6, one side of the transversal, then the other, so they're alternate. They're inside, they're alternate interiors.